Hey, my name is Joel. You want to start coding on your new laptop and you don't know the packages you want to download. Watch this video to the end to know how to turn your computer into a machine. First things first, you have to download VS Code. VS Code is functions that you will use to write your codes and everything else. So you go to your Google Chrome and type VS Code download. Then you click on the first one you see there. Either if your laptop is Windows or Mac, you have to pick the one that goes with your laptop operating system. Now this is Windows. This is for Windows 10 to 11. These two are for Chromebooks. So if your laptop is Chromebook, or it depends on the app on your Chromebook. It's either your Chromebook should be Ubuntu or Red Hat. This is for your Mac OS 11 plus. So if your Mac OS is 11 plus, you download this for your Mac. So I'm using Windows, so I will install Windows. You just click on it and it's going to start downloading. And if your download is not working, if you click on it and your download is not working, just click on this try this the direct download link, then it's going to start downloading. So you can see now your VS Code is already downloading. You have to wait for it to finish installing, then we can run the setup. This is how it looks like after you finish downloading the VS Code. So you just double click on it, then wait for it to load. Okay, now this is your Visual Studio Code setup, and I'm going to walk you through it to set up the VS Code. So you click on I accept the agreement, read the terms and conditions first, then you click on I accept the agreement, then next. Then this select additional taxes, additional icons, create a desktop icon. That's if you want it to create a desktop icon on your laptop. Others, add and open with VS Code actions to Windows Explorer file content. No, add open with code actions to Windows Explorer directory content menu. That's these two are if you want, you can add it if you want to. These two, then you click next, then you click install. Now I've installed VS Code on my laptop before, so I don't need to install it again. After it has finished installing here, you will see finish, then click on finish. So I'm just going to cancel my own. Yes, I've installed VS Code on my laptop before. I just want to install it again for you guys to see how it is. So you wait a couple of minutes for it to finish. Now we are finished installing our VS Code, then click finish. Now we want to install the package that will turn your laptop into a machine or a server. This package will make local servers run on your laptop. Now the name of the package is Node.js. So you go to your Google Chrome, open new tab and type Node.js download. Click on the first one you see there. So now to get your Node.js, if you click on this place, you see many versions there. You pick the current version because that's the latest version of Node there. Then for this part of this section, you have to be careful of this part because you pick the OS of your you have to pick the OS of your laptop. If not, it's not going to load on your laptop. I'm using Windows, so I pick Windows. You have to skip this part. Then this part, you can use npm yarn or pnpm. So me, I'm using npm, so I click on npm. Then you scroll down. Then now this place, you click on Windows. Then you have to know the byte your laptop is running at. This place we have now this place, you pick the architecture your laptop is running at. Is either your laptop should run at x64, x86 or ARM64. I'm using x64, so I pick 64. Then you click install. So now if you want to know the byte your laptop is running on, you go to your file explorer, you go to this PC, right click, then you go to properties. Then you can know your byte here. This is it, 64-bit operating system. So I'm using 64-bit here. So now let's go back to our Chrome, check if our Node is installing. This is how you will see it on your laptop after it has finished installing. You see Node 25.20, and this is my byte x64. Then you double click on it, preparing to install. Then you see this, you click next. I've installed it before, so it will bring this for me. I just uninstalled mine now for you to see how we are going to install the Node today. So you double click it again, you see preparing to install, next. Then you see this, you have to read the terms and conditions of Node.js. I accept. Then this is where you want your Node to install to. This is the drive C / the program file / Node.js. You can direct it to another file. You click change to direct it to another file. Next, then you click for, if you need chocolatey, you have to click on this. But if you don't need any packages running while you are writing your code, don't click on it. I'm not going to click on it for now. When I need it later, I'm going to click on it. So next, now it's ready to install. Then click install. We have a pop-up here, you have to click on it. Then you say yes. Be careful not to click on no. Validating installation. Now our Node has finished installing. Then click finish. So these are the packages you need to turn your laptop into a machine or a server, and these are also the code, and these are also the packages you need to start coding. Meet me in the next video and I'll show you how to install your extensions to make life easy for you when you are writing your code. Thank you. Bye.